This is your quick review that's going to make your past papers actually work and not sit on your windowsill gathering dust and being completely useless. So it requires the specific framework. It's going to be a really nice quick video. It requires a specific UKAO framework that I believe my teacher taught me many, many years ago. And then I kind of mixed together my own stuff and I came up with this. U is for understanding, K is for knowledge, A is for application, and O is for other. Okay, and essentially what you need to do is you need to get a past paper or an exam that you just took at school, and you need to go through all the questions that you got wrong. So say, for example, I got this question wrong. Okay, this is an 11 plus non-verbal reasoning paper. Say I got this question wrong. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, why did I get that wrong? Is it because I didn't understand the question? Is it because I actually don't know what this topic is and I've never revised it before? Is it because I know what the topic was, but I actually had no idea that this is what I was supposed to use here because I've never applied it in this sort of question before, it looks unfamiliar? Or is it because I didn't have enough time to answer the question because time ran out? That's going to be other. Okay, those are the 4 categories. And what you're going to do is you're going to go through every single question just like that on your paper, and you're going to categorize it. Is it because of understanding, because of knowledge, because of application, because of other? And once you do that, you're going to find that there's one category that comes out on top. And as you do this over a bunch of past papers, you're going to realize that there's one category that always catches you out. It might be that you have no energy to revise, and so you actually find it's knowledge every single time. So then you can't fib to yourself and say, oh, I'm just bad at exams. Nope, you just need to revise better. It might be understanding, which means that you need to improve on your specific exam technique and looking at exam questions so you can understand properly what they mean before you go in, and so on and so forth. Okay, once you figure out that pattern, you literally just need to absolutely smash out a bunch of those questions, papers, revision, whatever it might be, according to your specific UKAO need, and then you'll be a master for the next exam. It is as simple as that, I promise you. I'm going to include the UKAO sheet that I have made in the description. Hopefully it'll be accessible for all. If not, let me know and in the comments down below, okay? And if you need anything else. Good luck.